Okay, continuing on talking about functions. Now, the last time we had the doubling function. That's definitely a relationship that's called a function. But a function isn't just any old type of mathematical relationship, it's a special one. So I want to look at now, what do we mean when we say that a function is a special type of relationship? Okay, so I've made another relationship here that right now is a function. So it's not anything that we can express algebraically. There's no simple pattern going here. It's seemingly very random. A 4 gets you 13. Input of 11, you get out 27, minus 3, 91, and so on. Okay, so, but each input here gives one and only one output. Okay, so right now this is a function. And I like to think of function like in math, sort of the same way I would describe a machine. Like here's a machine, it's a toaster. We bring an input, a slice of bread to it, and then we put it into the machine, and then it comes an output. And what I like to see coming out of my toaster is a nice light brown piece of toast. Okay, if every time I come with this input, I know that I'm going to get this output, then I say my toaster is functioning. Okay, but if sometimes I bring my piece of bread and I get this nice light brown toast, but other times I get this burnt piece of toast, okay, so if I get more than one output and I never know which one I'm going to get, then I say this is not functioning. Okay, here's another example. If you bring, say you've got a DVD here of your favorite movie, maybe Harold and Maude or something, and you bring it to your laptop, you plug it in. Now what you're expecting to see as your output is your favorite movie. Okay, if sometimes you're getting that and other times you're getting Bambi, then this doesn't function. Something very strange is going on. You can't predict what's going to happen by knowing the input. Okay, in the math function or non-function, so if we bring this 8 and then all of a sudden, instead of always knowing that we're going to get a minus 4, we sometimes get, say, a 10, then this is no longer a function. Okay, so if we have more than one output possible for the same input, then it's not a function. So here we can't, we're stating it in the negative, we can't have more than one output for the same input. More than one output for a given input. Okay, or it's not a function. Of course, you can have a relationship like that. That happens, like some people's toasters work like this. That is not my definition of a functioning toaster. So, for example, you can go to those machines in the mall, like when you're a kid, they look like this. You've got like a big round thing, and then you have a slot here for your money. Looks like this, and then you have a slot here for stuff to come out, and then you have all kinds of things that look really cool to you. I don't know if they're plastic toys or candies or whatever, and there's a whole bunch of different ones. What happens is when you put in your money, you never know what you're going to get out, except you can be pretty sure it's not the cool Pokemon thing that you actually wanted. So